हेलो फ्रेंड्स मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि कैसे हाउ टू आप अपने लैपटॉप पीसी डेटा डिलीट हुआ जो डेटा है जो साइकिल पे भी डिलीट हो गया उसको कैसे रिकवर करते हैं। तो ये तरीका मैंने इंग्लिश में बताया है। और इससे पहले वीडियो देखने से पहले आपने मुझे सब्सक्राइब करना है और बेल आइकन पर क्लिक करना है और मुझे कमेंट्स में बताना है कि मेरी इंग्लिश बोलना कैसा लगा आपको। और अब चलते हैं जी कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन की तरफ। मैं आपको वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक भी सेंड कर दूंगा जहाँ से ये वीडियो आप हासिल कर सकते हैं।
Chances are you are here watching this video because you have just deleted some important files on your laptop, USB flash drive or on SD card and you really want to recover it. Don't worry, I have a solution for you. In this video, I am going to show you how you can recover deleted pictures, video, documents, audio files, etc. Download and install the software Disk Drill. The link of this software is available in the video description. It's available for Windows and Mac. After downloading, install this. Once the software is installed, launch the program. By the way, this method are applicable not only to hard disk but also to USB flash drive, SD card of mobile phones and digital cameras. Here we have data recovery panel and extra features like data protection and drive backup tab. In the data recovery panel, here you will have all the devices that are connected to the computer like hard disk partitions, USB flash drive or SD card. Click on the name of the drive that you wish to recover your deleted files from. Click the search for lost data button to start scanning procedure. You will be presented with the window containing a status bar at the top which indicates the progress of the scan. The window displays the number of files found in various categories such as pictures, videos, audio and documents. Plus, you can actually review all these files in between scanning method. Wait for the scan to finish. If you have a large amount of files, this could take quite a while. You can pause the scan at any time by clicking the stop or pause button at the top of the window. When the scan is complete, the files can be previewed by switching to the thumbnail view, which will give you thumbnail of each file and that will just give you a better idea. On the left you also have a group of categories, so you have pictures, videos, documents, etc. And these can be browsed individually. You can select the files you wish to recover by checking the box to the left of the file names. Once you make your selection, click the recover button. A dialog box will be displayed in which you select the location at which you want to store your recovered data. Don't use its original location where the data was lost, as this can lead to data corruption while the recovery is being performed. After selecting the recovery location, click the OK button. That's it. When recovery is complete, you can return to the disk list for more recovery if required. Disk Drill is a comprehensive data recovery tool that can be used to retrieve data from virtually any type of disk storage. You can also recover up to 500 MB of data before upgrading to the Pro version of the application. So that's all for now. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down